It's Dave again, Dave and Sons Adventures. I want to show you guys how the outcome turned out on switching those engines around. Got the go-karts put up right now. I'm going to take the tarps off of them and show you guys what's up with them. Here's how we keep them put up. Chain it next to our house on a chain. The tarps all tarped on the engines. We used to tarp the whole go-kart, but it got to be a hassle, so we just covered the engines up. Boys tarp these up. They don't do a very good job tarping them up. They just kind of throw it over there half-ass. There's a Nerf dog. The other engine on it. Looks pretty good. I need to get a new air cover on there, but it never did come in the mail. Still waiting on my stimulus check. Everybody got theirs, but we haven't got ours yet. I guess they say that we make too much money, so we get ours last, which is fine, but we desperately need it. It's getting pretty rough around here. Been out of work for almost a month now. We work at Candlelight in Leesburg, Ohio. And they sent us home because they get a lot of shipments from China. Those shipments from China had supposedly a lot of coronavirus on it, so they played it safe and sent everybody home and told us to draw unemployment. And my unemployment hadn't come through. I keep filing my weekly claims, but I never get paid for anything. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I don't think it's very fair. Everybody else is getting their unemployment, but me and my wife, we are not. We've been just scratching and scrounging and doing what we got to do with what we have. This here is a 196 what kind of engine is it again? It's a Generac 196cc Generac Hemi engine. This was on this go-kart originally when I bought it from my friend Dylan Arnold. He's a pretty good kid. He does work on these go-karts, and he's like 15 years old. He knows his stuff pretty good. He helps me out every now and then. Put the stage 1 on it. Got the air intake and the jetted carburetor and the exhaust all on there. A little dirty right now. Runs pretty good. Thinking it's going to need a new clutch pretty soon. Back this bad boy out here. Gotta get a better look at it. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Oh, this yard is a mess. I don't know why I'm recording right now with the yard being a mess. Normally I have the boys clean up the yard before I record. Put a new fuel line on it there. I painted it yellow. Got this air breather on here because there's a little nipple sticking out of the air filter. Didn't want it to suck in dirt, so I kind of put this little thing over it, Keep it from sucking in dirt. Clear valve cover. I was thinking about painting our rockers. Taking the rockers off of it and painting them yellow. Wonder how that will turn out. Probably pretty cool. My little filter on my catch can is about to come off. I think I overjetted the carburetor. When I put this carburetor on here, I jetted it myself with a little tiny little drill bit, and I think I made them just a little too big, so it doesn't want to idle as well. And it's kind of flooding with gas, so I'm kind of thinking whenever I crack this valve open to turn on the gas, I just won't turn it all the way on. Kind of back off the gas a little bit so it won't flood the carburetor. But it does run and drive. That's pretty good. Our mini bike, the Coolster, it popped the back tube. Back tire's flat, so waiting on a tube for it. Right now we ain't spending any money on any of these go-karts, so until we get our money from either unemployment or our stimulus, we haven't got any of those, so that's why we really haven't made any more videos. We're broke and struggling. Times are tough right now. There's the old 196 Generac. I really need to get these tires rotated. Pretty tough. I hate changing tires. Just need to switch out one tire there for this one here. And here's the old motor. Punched a hole in the block of the engine. I'm thinking about salvaging it. Just a little bit of JB Weld there. If anybody knows that I can JB Weld that and thinks it would be fine, give me a comment below that I can JB Weld that and fix this engine. And if I can, I will probably put a stage 2 in there. Go ahead and put billet rod and take out the governor, take out this pin, put a bolt in there, take out the oil sensor, put a bolt on the end back here. Still good engine. It's got good compression, valves and springs and rods and all that stuff's still good. I still got all of it over here in the oil tray. I was going to switch to oil or the gas can, but the gas can wouldn't fit on the Generac motor. So, but my phone's about to run out of space because I need to update my phone. So, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. And then once over on the go-kart engine here. Went from a Hemi to a non-Hemi. Still sounds the same and runs about the same. Just need to get that carburetor tuned, get the jets tuned in it. This one here runs pretty good. Seems like it's a little faster. I don't know how or why, but it is. Seems like it's got more top end on it. Probably make another video of the kids riding it today because they're wanting to go ride, so go ahead and add that video in there too. So we'll see you guys later.